Good morning, class. Today we will study the new chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. In this chapter, we will study the principles of genetics. First of all, we have to know that what is the genetics? The branch of science dealing with the study of heredity and variation. One of the scientists, Gregor John Mendel, he is considered as father of genetics. This is because he laid the foundation of this branch. He was the first person who formulated some laws governing the inheritance of characters from one generation to other generation. In this chapter, we have to learn some of the terminology, some of the technical terms, such as inheritance. It is the transfer of characters from the offspring to the from the parents to the offspring. The another term will be variation, which is the difference existing between the parent and progeny or offspring. One of the term which was used by the Mendel, that was factor. Factors are the units of inheritance. It means that these are the bodies which bear characters. Cross. Cross, it is the hybridization or mixing of factors during the course of reproduction. Beside that, when one factor involved in the hybridization, that cross will be called as monohybrid cross. When two factors are involved in the hybridization process, that will be called dihybrid cross. Accordingly, three factors, trihybrid, tetrahybrid, etc. Mendel selected garden pea plant for his experiment of hybridization. He conducted his experiments for 7 years, from 1856 to 1863. The question arises that why Mendel has selected the garden pea plant for his experiment. Why he has not selected the other organism for this? Before Mendel, a number of scientists have done this hybridization experiment in which they have selected different organisms, animals or plants, but they are not successful. The reason behind that, the characters which they have taken for their experiment, they are not clearly observable. The characters are not contrasting, and sometimes they have selected those animals which are having very long span of their lifespan, and that is why they are not able to see more generations for their study of inheritance. That is why Mendel has selected the garden pea plant, which is having a very short span of life. It completes its life cycle within 2 to 3 months, and it has a number of observable distinct characters which can be observed and recorded. Mendel have taken 7 contrasting characters for his experiment. These characters are